Alright, YouTube, I'm back again. I was asked to remake my Morenatsu installation video for audio concerns, and I've gotten better information on how to do it, so should be less problems this time. If you go into the links I will be providing, you'll probably just want to go to the first link, the netcups link. You're going to put in your captcha code, click continue to download. You can get direct download or a torrent. Torrent, you have to have something like uTorrent, BitTorrent, Shareza. Direct download is okay if you have a good internet connection. Otherwise, it screws up a lot of the time or freezes. Otherwise, once you get one of these things good to go, you will get this file. If you run this file, it should pop up like Doesn't really matter if it pops up because I already have it installed. I was just hoping to show you the screen. Oh, that's annoying. Here we go. Yes. It'll pop up like this. Gonna edit out all that crap. It'll go this, you'll just go next. It'll run you through the installation. Doesn't matter, I already have it installed, as you can see by my shortcut right here. Anyway, once you do that, it'll put all this stuff in. It'll tell you to... It should run you through the installation for app locale automatically at the end of the installation process. Now when you do that, app locale. Alright, I don't have it right up here, so I'll just go app locale. Into my search. Once you get it running, you're never going to want to click this to run it. It won't work. It'll give you a blue screen and an error message. You're going to want to click app locale in your start menu. Make sure it's the one that I showed you to click. Then you just click next, launch an application, browse. Should automatically go into this folder. You're going to want to click this one and click open. Click next. Leave this at whatever it is. If it gives you a warning at this point that you don't have the language package installed, if you are running Windows 7 like I am, you can just go into your updates. You can Google how to do that if you don't know, or just ask me in the comments section, I'll tell you. But essentially just control panel, updates. Similar thing for XP, except for you go into East Asian language packages and install those. Instead, you'll either need your disk or the appropriate files. If you have a laptop, it'll probably already be there. You're going to want to click to create a shortcut to run this application with app locale every time, and you're going to want to use that shortcut, which will be created in the start menu folder of Microsoft app locale. Now, I already have a shortcut, so I'm not going to click it this time, but I'm going to run it this way just to show you. And as you can see, it's running here. I'll let it get all the way to the main menu for you, so you can see what should happen. My recording is probably going to be laggy again, but should not be your actual experience. Fade away, main menu. Start game. If you want to load afterwards, your stuff will be here. Stuff like that. It should be perfectly running at this point. Now, the next thing I need to teach you how to do is to install the patches. Which, as you first install this, it'll give you patch 1 and 2. Not this patch 2. But what you're going to do to install the patches is download this file here, which I'll give you this link right here. This will actually end up being patch number 2 for you. And you go into the media file link I'm going to give you and download patch 3 here. This is going to be in a zip file, so you will have to extract it first. Make sure to rename it to patch 2 once you extract it. Now inside your folder here, originally, you would have this patch 2, and you wouldn't have this yet. But that's because I was messing with patches. But you would have this patch 2 normally. Now what you're going to want to do is drag out that patch 2, rename the one from the file I gave you there, rename that to patch 2, and then put patch 3 from Mediafire in here. All should work perfectly fine this way. If it doesn't, you probably put the patches in the wrong order. Make sure the sizes line up in a similar manner to this. And at this point, you should be all set to go. If you have slower internet, these downloads may take a while. I guarantee you these are not fake. Just sometimes they get a little screwy. Just consult me with any concerns you have on my YouTube page, my Facebook page. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. Usually within a couple days I can respond if I'm not busy at all. So with that, I already showed you it's starting up. And you can of course pin it to your taskbar if you want to go that route. Should be all the information you need. Anything else you would like to suggest or anything else you need help with can be presented in the comment section, messages, or anything further. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video around if you know anyone else who needs help, and direct them to me if they have any problems.